Today I want to take you on a deep dive into the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach E, covering everything from how it drives to what makes it truly stand out. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a Mustang fan, or just curious, I've got something for you. Imagine taking a classic muscle car named Mustang and embedding it into a modern, all-electric SUV. That's exactly what Ford has done with the Mach E, and in its 2026 update, it leans even harder into that balance of performance and everyday usability. Under the floor, the battery pack and motor configurations have been fine-tuned across its three main trims: Select, Premium, and the High Performance GT for the Select trim. Ford upgraded the power. Now it delivers about 212 kilowatts and 525 Newton-meters of torque. That gives this base-level Mach E a spirited feel while still being practical for daily driving. It uses a 73 kilowatt-hours battery, and its estimated driving range is around 470 kilometers, which is solid for a compact EV SUV. The Premium trim hits a sweet spot. It uses the same motor as the Select, but its battery is slightly larger, at 88 kilowatt-hours, pushing its range to 600 kilometers, making it more compelling for longer trips. Then there's the GT version, the Performance Beast. It makes 434 kilowatts and 955 Newton-meters of torque. With a 91 kilowatt-hours battery and improved thermal management, its range climbs to about 515 kilometers. Charging is faster, with 10 to 80% DC fast charging taking around 36 minutes on a 150 kilowatts. Driving the Mach E is fun. It retains Mustang soul. With all that torque, especially in the GT, acceleration is strong and responsive. At the same time, it's practical, roomy interior, enough headroom, and good cargo capacity. Suspension upgrades in Select and Premium trims make the ride refined and well-balanced. The 2026 styling refresh is subtle but thoughtful. Select gets projector-style headlights, all trims have sportier alloy wheels, and Premium now has matte black trim for a contemporary look. The GT California Special adds heritage-inspired design cues, rave blue accents, and a glowing pony emblem. Inside, sporty seats with reflective stitching make it feel premium. The cabin feels modern with Ford's large touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and EV features like regenerative braking. A column-mounted shifter replaces the rotary dial, making controls more intuitive. A heat pump improves cabin climate and battery efficiency, and Blue Cruise hands-free. Driver assistance is available for long drives. Safety is strong with driver assist features like adaptive cruise, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot alerts. Trade-offs include range variations depending on driving style and weather. And while charging is improved, 36 minutes to 80% isn't the fastest. Pricing has slightly increased across trims. The 2026 Mach E leans into its dual identity. It's not a vintage Mustang reimagined, but it honors its heritage. It can be a daily commuter, a family runabout, or a performance machine depending on the trim. The GT California Special blends nostalgia with modern EV performance. If you want performance without sacrificing practicality, or an EV that's exciting and versatile, the 2026 Mach E is worth a serious look.